In the green and peaceful yard, a little white rabbit hopped happily among the grass. Its round eyes sparkled, and its tiny nose twitched quickly as it searched for something delicious. Soon it found a fresh carrot that had just been pulled from the garden. With joy, the rabbit sat under the shade of a mango tree and began nibbling on the carrot. Slowly, a soft breeze swayed the leaves, as if nature itself was enjoying the calm moment. When its tummy was full, the rabbit lay down on the grass, gazing at the blue sky with a look of pure